What up, YouTube? It's Danny, and it's been a minute. I know. I've been sick. I've been very sick for like 2 or 3 weeks. It's a Samsung 256 gigabyte SD card in there, and I keep getting the error that SD card writing speed is slow. It's already stopped recording once. What I might do is, after making this video, format the SD card, because this is a very fast SD card. Anyway, we're gonna unbox package here that I have. So let me flip the camera around. Actually, yeah, let me flip the camera around. I'll unbox it into the light box. With the magic of the Osmo Pocket. Anyway, this is not going to be a very exciting unboxing. I mean, it is for me, but not necessarily for you guys, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. This is my first time buying these ever. And I'm going to obviously save this box because it's a very nice box and I can use it for eBay for when something sells. So anyway, yeah, I've been sick. As you all know, I've been unemployed for 60 days or so now. And with that comes losing health insurance. So I went 60 days without any medication. Yeah, my body recognized that over time. I, thanks to the Affordable Care Act, have insurance once again. Not as good as I had before, but it's better than nothing. So, I am actually getting my body looked at very soon by some doctors, and should be all good. So, give me your thoughts and prayers. Appreciate it. Okay. One box, inside of the box, and another box. Let me get this big box out of the way. There we go. So we've got 2 boxes here. I don't know which one is which. So we're just going to open both. What to do with my scissors? Here we go. Okay. I like the way whoever taped this, really nice. It's a neat tape job. It's like a present. I guess I don't need scissors. I can just pull this. Yeah. Do a roll like that, like Chuck says in Better Call Saul. Rolled tape. Red box inside of a brown box. This is the part you can give it away, other than the title, of course. Yeah, here we go. This is very nice. This is the constantly sold out GameCube controller for the Nintendo Switch 2. They finally got back in stock, and I snatched it up quick. That's so cool. We're going to open that in a second. That's the first one. I was excited for that, but I'm really excited for this. If you know me well, you guys know I'm a huge fan of Sega. And I love that they partner with Nintendo these days on a lot of things. Yes, look at that. So, these both work with the Switch 2. This one works with the Switch and Switch 2. This one just works with the Switch 2 only. I'm excited to open these. So yeah, as you all know, NSO, you can play GameCube games, you can play Sega Genesis games, and optionally, if you want, you can buy controllers for a fee. This is $50. No, this was $60 and this was $50. Just to have that genuine experience all the way. So, yeah, they've got NES, SNES, which is on the way, Sega Genesis, N64, GameCube. They don't have Wii. For now. Who knows? Maybe in the future. That'd be kind of cool to have like a Wii nunchuck and controller. I don't think they'd ever do Wii U because that's basically the Switch. So, but yeah. That's so cool. So we're going to open up the GameCube one first. I know you're probably here more for this one than you are the Genesis controller because that's not exactly new. This has been out a couple years now. But this one is new. It launched with the Switch 2. And it was sold out immediately. And I did not get one on the first round. All right. Come on out. Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels so good. Ooh. It's just like a regular GameCube controller. It's the same size. The only difference is this one's wireless. You know, I obviously had I had an Indigo GameCube back in the day. So I had one of these already, but it was wired. Oh, that feels so good. I love it. I love it. Oh. So, very nice. I'm going to pair it with my Switch 2 later, but yeah. Oh, that's going to be fun playing Wind Waker with. Which I will be streaming on here, on Twitch, on Kick. I'll be streaming Wind Waker. If Twilight Princess ever comes. I think it was wasn't that on GameCube as well? Or is that Wii? It may be Wii. And Majora's Mask. Except Majora's Mask, that was on N64. I still have to get the N64 controller. But definitely Wind Waker. And definitely Soul Calibur 2. So, very cool. Is there anything else in this box? Plastic. Cardboard. Yes, there is. Okay, cool. I think I checked. You do get a USB-C and a USB-A cable. So, very nice. And that is it. So, cool. Should I keep this box? I probably won't. It's so thin. I don't think these boxes really matter. And I ripped it already. Yeah, this is going to go in the trash. I just never realized I ripped the box when I was opening it up. Yeah, that's going to go in the trash. Not keeping the GameCube controller box. No big deal. It's thin, guys. It doesn't matter. It's not thick like a Switch 2 box, you know. So, okay. I have a lot of recycling going out this week with the fridge and everything, and the microwave I bought, and now that. So, got quite the cardboard pile. All right, now this box feels thicker. This feels way thicker than the other box. So, this one I don't think is going to rip as easily. I don't think. Yeah, no. So this box I will definitely keep. It's definitely thicker than the other one. Plus, I love the 80s, 90s look. I guess it'd be 90s is when, because Genesis came out in like, what year? 1991? Nick, do you remember my brother? His name's Nick, he's watching. Do you remember when the Genesis came out, dude? I forget. Somebody comment below, unless I look it up. I probably won't. There we go. Yeah, see, that's a better, that's a stronger box for sure. So it didn't rip. Yeah, I love the gaming controller. I'm so glad I have it. But this, oh, it takes me back. You guys know anything about me? I grew up with both the NES, SNES, and Genesis at my dad's. But at home, Danny Boy exclusively had the Sega Genesis because he was a poor kid. His grandparents got him the Sega Genesis 3. Yes, that model from Sears. Or no, Montgomery Ward. Who remembers that? That name has been dead for years. I got a Sega Genesis for my birthday one year from my grandparents for $79 at Montgomery Ward. The Sega Genesis 3, and it came with one of these, but it was wired, of course. Oh, that reminds me of Shaq Fu. I have a confession. I love Shaq Fu, and I know everybody out there hates it. It's one of the best games of all time, in my opinion. Shaq Fu. Comment below if you love Shaq Fu. I love Shaq. I still own my copy of Shaq Fu. It's in storage, but I own it. It's in one of my drawers in storage. I love Shaq Fu, and I hope it comes to the NSO. It probably won't, but that sure would be nice. But yeah, wireless, rechargeable, very nice, very sleek. There's the indicators. Oh, this takes me back. I love that I have this finally too. I'm more excited for this, and this has been out for 2 years. I just never bought one. Oh, so cool. So, but yeah, the Super Nintendo controller is on its way as well. And then I'm also going to order the N64 controller very soon. There's a USB-C to USB cable with this as well. Very nice, Nintendo. Thank you. So there you go. I'm going to put this back in because I'm saving the box for this controller specifically. So there you go. That's it. And yeah, like I said, these are not required to play the games on NSO. I am a purist. So is David. That's why we're best friends. I'm excited to use these on my new Switch too. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for all your prayers and well wishes and all that stuff. Shout out to Tristan and Logan, who are gold status members. I appreciate that. As well as Mark and David and James, aka Sinfish. And is that everybody? That are silver members. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate that. And then all my bronze members as well. You guys are amazing. Seriously, you guys are really helping me get through this unemployed time of my life. And it means so much to me. Sorry I've been sick for 3 weeks. I've been wanting to make content. I've been sick in bed for 3 weeks. Shout out to diabetes for trying to take my life. It's not going to happen. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.